Love is happiness. Love is smiling when you hear that person's voice. Love is the butterflies in your tummy no matter how many times you see that person. Love is when you look at them and smile for no reason. Love is seeing an imperfect person perfectly. Love is painful. Love is hard. Love is sacrifice. Love is sadness. Can I live without the happiness? Can I live without sadness? I don't know. I don't know anything anymore.
Gawan glass of wine niya. Miss, ayos ka lang.
Baka ba akong okay?
Ano bang problema mo? Baka matulungan kita.
Pare-pareho lang naman kayong mga lalaki, mga kasakit sa ulo.
Yun totoo, miss. Gusto mo, mag-date tayo.
Anong date?
1 week, mag-date tayo. May love ka sa akin, promise.
Yak! Ang kapal naman ng mukha mo. Akit naman magkakagusto ko tayo, no? Dream ko.
Sige, game na lang tayo.
Anong game?
Katihan mo natin sinasabi ko.
Okay.
Maganda ako.
Maganda ako.
Sexy ako.
Sexy ako.
Date.
Deal.
Paano ba yan, Dave? Nag-good ka na. Can I get your number?
Ayos ka rin pala, no? Getting late na. I gotta go.
Sige, tumawag na lang dito.
Here I am, alone and I don't understand exactly how it all began. The dream just walked away. I'm holding on when all but the passion's gone. And from the start, maybe I was trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart.
Bebe ko. Bebe ko. Bebe ko. Babe!
See you later, babe. Kala ko ba tapos na yung game?
Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. And heroes die
Pwede bang humingi ng favor? Pwede bang pakibigay ito kayo?
And from the start, maybe we were trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking our hearts. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go now. Maybe we were trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking our hearts. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. Oh no, I don't want you to go.
Happy Valentine's, baby.
Happy Hearts Day, babe.
We love you. Mwah.